look around, what do you see? Businessmen, teachers, lawyers, carpenters, the very minds of the people we are trying to save. You have to understand, most of these people are not ready to be unplugged. And many of them are so inert, so hopelessly dependent on the system, that they will fight to protect it. Were you listening to me, Leo? Or were you looking at the woman in the red dress?